Hello everyone, and today we would like to present our project called StudyMate AI. StudyMate AI is an AI-powered learning assistant designed to help students study more efficiently from PDF documents and lecture notes. Our team consists of Arif Emre Eser, Sevinç Yiğit, and Ebrar Emre Demircioğlu, and this project was developed as part of the large language model course under the supervision of Assistant Professor Dr. Fazeh Rohani. The main idea behind our project is transforming static study materials into an interactive learning environment using large language models. Instead of spending hours reading and searching through documents, students can interact with the content, receive summarized, generate quizzes, and create personalized study plans. Before starting the development process, we analyze common challenges faced by students. Today, most students study using lecture notes, academic papers, and PDF documents. These files are often very long and contain large amounts of information. As a result, students spend significant time searching for important concepts instead of actually learning them. Another issue is passive reading. Simply reading a document does not always lead to effective learning or long-term retention. In addition, students often need supports outside classroom hours. However, instructor may not always be available to answer questions immediately. These challenges motivated us to create StudyMate AI, a system that provides instant academic assistance and makes studying more interactive and efficient. Um, the primary objective of StudyMate AI is to improve students' learning experience through artificial intelligence. Our first goal is automatic summarization. Instead of reading entire documents, students can quickly assess concise summarize. The second goal is question answering. Users can ask questions directly related to the uploaded documents and receive the contextual answers. Another important goal is flashcard generation, which supports active recall learning techniques. We also aim to develop personalized study plans that adapt to individual learning needs and weak points. Finally, we want to organize all study-related activities in one centralized platform, reducing the need for multiple tools and applications. For the front end, we use React and Vue to create modern, responsive, and fast user interface. To display uploaded PDF files efficiently, we integrate the React PDF library. On the backend side, we use Express.js as our server framework. Motor was utilized for handling file uploaded securely, while PDF parse was responsible for the extracting text content from uploaded documents. For for AI functionalities, we integrated the OpenAI SDK, which enables document analysis, summarization, quiz generation, and question answering. Additionally, .env was used for environment variable management, and CORS was implemented to support secure communication between front-end and back-end services. This slide illustrates the complete workflow of the system. The process begins when a user uploads a PDF document. After upload, the backend extracts the document content and prepares it for AI processing. And the extracted text is then analyzed by the language model based on the user selected parameters and requests. The Depending on the user need, the AI can generate, summarize, answer questions, create quizzes, and build personalized study plans. Finally, the generated output are returned to user through an interface. This workflow creates a seamless interaction between document processing and AI-powered assistants. Dashboard Dashboard serves as the main entry point of StudyMate AI. We designed the interface to be clean and user-friendly. User can upload documents using drag and drop mechanism, making the onboarding process simple even first-time users. The system automatically validates uploaded files to ensure compatibility and security. Once the document is successfully uploaded, backend processing starts immediately without requiring additional action from the user. The design reduces the friction, allows the user to focus directly on learning. On the screen, we can see the main dashboard of StudyMate AI. This first page users see after entering the application. We designed this interface to be simple, clean, and user-friendly. User can easily upload their files using the drag and drop feature. After file uploaded, the system automatically validates it and starts the processing phase on the backend. Our goal here was to make the onboarding process as fast and seamless as possible, allowing students to start studying without unnecessary steps. One of the most important features of our platform is the split screen study environment. On the right side, users can view their uploaded PDF documents. On the left side, they can interact with the AI assistant. This design eliminates constant switching between application tabs or windows. Students can read a section of documents and immediately ask questions about it without losing focus. As a result, concentration, productivity, and learning efficiency are significantly improved. The core intelligence of StudyMate AI lies in its AI processing engine. After receiving document content, the language model analyzes the information and generates meaningful output. The AI can create, summarize, explain complex concepts, and answer user questions using the uploaded material as context. To improve readability, responses are formatted using structured markdown layout. This allows you information to be presented clearly and logically. Ultimately, these capabilities help students understand difficult topics more quickly and retain knowledge more effectively. This screen demonstrates how the AI processes information and generates responses. When a user asks a question or requests a summary, the AI analyzes the uploaded documents and produce relevant answer based on its content. These responses are pre presented in a structured format, making them easier to read and understand. This helps students quickly grasp key concepts without spending time searching through lengthy documents.
At this stage, the system automatically generates flashcards and quizzes from the uploaded documents. Traditionally, students spend a significant amount of time creating their own study materials. Our goal was to automate this process and allow students to focus more on learning rather than preparation. Users can choose how many flashcards they want to generate, and the AI analyzes the uploaded documents to create questions and answers based on the most important concepts. This feature is built around the educational principle of active recall. Instead of simply reading information repeatedly, students actively retrieve knowledge from memory, which has been shown to improve long-term learning outcomes. Because all content is generated directly from the uploaded source material, the flashcards and quizzes remain highly relevant to the student course content. As a result, students receive personalized learning materials without spending additional time creating them themselves. Creating flashcards is only one part of the learning process. The way students interact with them is equally important. This screen demonstrates our interactive flashcard experience. The answers are hidden by default, encouraging the students to think about the question before revealing the solution. Once they are ready, they can simply click on the card to display the answer. This interaction further supports the active recall learning method because students attempt to remember the information before checking the correct answer. In addition, React's dynamic state management allows the interface to update instantly, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. The main goal of this feature is to improve memory retention by helping students move information from short-term memory into long-term memory. This feature extends upon the flashcard system by introducing source verification. While users can still click on a card to reveal the answer, they can also see direct references to the original page within the uploaded documents. This provides two major advantages. First, it increases transparency by showing exactly where the information comes from. Second, it reduces the risk of AI hallucinations since users can immediately navigate back to the source material. They can verify the accuracy of the generated content themselves. This transforms StudyMate AI from a simple AI assistant into a more reliable and trustworthy learning companion. One of the most unique features of StudyMate AI is the personalized study planner. Many student applications provide calendars or task lists, but they still require students to manually organize their schedules. Our system takes a different approach by generating personalized study plans automatically. Before creating a plan, users can complete configuration form where they specify information such as whether they want a daily weekly schedule, the topic they want to study, and the areas where they feel less confident. The information becomes the foundation for AI driven planning. Instead of providing a generic schedule, the system creates a study strategy specifically tailored to the individual user. This slide explains how the personalized schedule is generated. The AI combines user preferences with an analysis of the uploaded PDF documents. It evaluates factors such as document length, topic complexity, and students identifies weak areas. For example, more difficult topics may receive additional study time, while areas where the students struggle will be prioritized within the schedule. Using all of this information, the system generates a structured and optimized study plan designed to maximize learning efficiency. This helps students use their time more effectively and reduces the stress of manually organizing study sessions. This slide summarizes the key benefits of our project. First, StudyMate AI saves time by reducing the effort required to review large amounts of study material. Second, it improves knowledge retention through active recall techniques such as flashcard and quizzes. Third, it reduces cognitive overload by bringing multiple study tools together into a single platform. Finally, it creates a centralized learning environment where the students can read documents, interact with AI, generate quizzes, review flashcards, and plan their studies without switching between different applications. Together, these benefits create a more efficient, organized, and engaging learning experience. To conclude, StudyMate AI was designed to make studying more efficient, personalized, and interactive. By combining AI-powered summarization, question answering, flashcard generation, and intelligent study planning, We aim to help students learn more effectively while saving the time and reducing academic stress. Thank you for listening our presentation.